Hi, I'm Nilay. I've always been fascinated by how games can bring people together.
Hi, I'm Angad. We have combined our love for games and Mysore's rich heritage into a unique project.
Mysore is known for its palaces, art, and silk, but much of its culture remains underappreciated today.
Our survey showed that while locals are proud of their heritage, tourists rarely connect with it deeply.
So we designed a board game, Cultural Conquerors, to promote Mysore's culture in a fun and interactive way.
The goal is to earn 35 heritage points by exploring Mysore's cultural sites, upgrading properties, and completing challenges.
Players roll dice to move around the board, landing on properties, special squares, or drawing cards.
If you land on an unknown property, you can buy it. If another player owns it, you pay rent.
Upgrading properties is key. Owning all three properties in a color group lets you upgrade them, earning points.
The app adds an interactive element. 14 properties have barcodes. Scanning them reveals questions about Mysore's culture.
Answer correctly, and you get discounts on property purchases and even extra heritage points.
Special squares include the Heritage Preservation Fund and Mysuru Dasara Fund, where players contribute currency.
Landing on cultural review makes you skip a turn, while heritage evaluation lets you gain or lose points based on your dice roll.
Cards like Heritage Opportunity and Cultural Contribution add exciting twists. You might earn points or face challenges.
Our game isn't just about winning, it's about learning Mysore's heritage through play. Like Monopoly, our game involves buying, upgrading, and managing properties. But instead of wealth, Cultural Conquerors focuses on earning heritage points by promoting Mysore's culture.
Unlike Monopoly, our game integrates an app that lets players scan barcodes on properties, answer cultural questions, and earn discounts and points, making it educational and interactive.
What makes it truly unique is its focus on Mysore's heritage, combining a traditional board game with modern technology to create an engaging way to learn and preserve culture.
Cultural Conquerors offers a unique way to connect with history and pass it on to future generations.
We hope this game brings families and friends together to celebrate Mysore's unique culture and heritage and keep it alive for years to come.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.